If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Images can contain raster data, which is also called bitmap or pixel data. Separately, they can also contain vector data. These two types of image data, however, are not mutually exclusive. For example, a single Photoshop document may contain both raster and vector image data within it. To use Photoshop effectively, you must understand the basic difference between these two types of image data. Raster image data uses pixels to represent image data. Each pixel in the image is assigned a color and a position. When editing raster image data, you are changing the individual pixels that make up a larger image. Because raster data can show subtle color changes, it is most often used for photographic images on computers. However, raster image data is resolution dependent, most often measured in a number of pixels per inch or pixels per centimeter. This can make raster images appear jagged or blurry if resized or displayed at a lower resolution than the resolution at which they were created. Alternatively, vector image data is created from lines or vectors defined by mathematical algorithms. So, vectors describe image data based on its geometric characteristics. For example, if you drew a smiley face shape within a Photoshop document as a vector graphic, then you can move, resize, or otherwise change the vector shape without changing its quality. This is because vector image data is resolution independent, unlike raster image data. Because of this, vector image data is used to create images and objects within images that require clean, crisp lines at any display resolution, like text or geometric shapes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.